Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a packing vlog for you all. Today is Monday and I leave my house on Wednesday to drive all the way up to Philly to get to school to move in on Friday. And I have not packed a single thing. And tomorrow I can't pack because I have job training all day on Zoom. So for some reason, I swear I just cannot make myself pack in advance because I'm like, I need all this stuff right now. And I can't back it up because then it'll all be in boxes and I won't have it. And I'm like, so far though, I've encountered a few different problems. First of all, I live pretty far away from my school. So when everything happened, I didn't go back up there to move my stuff out. I just put it into storage. I had a moving company go and take all of my stuff and just put it into storage. So I don't really know what I had up there because this was like a good solid 5 months ago now. I'm not entirely sure what I already have up there, especially when it comes to like the little things. So I probably won't pack a lot of those little things, and if I need them, I'll just buy them whenever I get up there. Problem number 2 is most of my clothes are currently in the wash because I've not done laundry in a while. So I don't really know what to do. Okay, I got out the suitcases. I have one big one slightly smaller one, and then I also have these 2 backpacks. And this is what we're going to try to fit my entire life into. But also, we have been told to pack light. But I'm very torn because if a miracle happens and we don't get sent home, then I'm going to be there for 14 weeks. That's like a while. I think I'm going to start by going through my closet and just picking out the stuff that is in here right now and getting it out and ready to pack. I can't decide whether I want to listen to a podcast or if I just want to listen to music. I think I might put music on for a little bit first. I'm feeling music. We're going with some oldies today. I have pretty much all of the clothes laid out on the bed behind me. I don't think it's that many. I don't know. I'm still waiting on the rest of my clothes from out of the laundry. But I think, I've been really picky about what I'm bringing. I'm definitely bringing less than I brought last year, so that's a bonus. I also need to do, toiletry stuff, but that's the thing I have the most trouble with because I don't remember what I left up there, at all. I've done a little bit more arranging. I've got, dance stuff there, socks, underwear. I've got mostly everything out that I want to bring with me in terms of desk supplies and my bathroom. I've got some of it out, I've got hair stuff and jewelry here. So basically what I'm trying to do is pack anything that I might want to bring home if we get sent home again into these 2 suitcases here, just so I know I can do it. Everything else I will just put in a box and bring it up there, and it's fine. It doesn't really have to fit, and I'm not really that stressed about getting stuff in the car because, like I said, the majority of my stuff is already up there. Today I need to finish packing. Currently I have a lot of clothes laid out everywhere around my room. This is what we are currently working with. And then I have some other stuff downstairs too. Okay, things are coming along. I've pretty much packed up all of my clothes, I believe. I don't have my coat in there, but that's fine because I don't need to worry about that spatially. I put all of my clothes in here in this one suitcase, which I'm very proud of. Now I want to kind of pack up my other little suitcase with anything else that I would want to bring back if I was sent home. Okay, I think I might be packed. I went ahead and just put everything in there. And then I also have this box where I've stuck a bunch of other things. I have like some contacts, books, sticker paper, a pair of shoes that I'm not planning on bringing back. I also have my backpack where I have some more books, notebooks, stationery. I'll probably put chargers in here. This is basically everything that I would maybe want to bring back if I got sent home that isn't clothes. And then all my clothes are in there. I'm bringing all this. I'm so torn because originally I was only going to bring 3 books. I have my I have Lovely War, which is what I'm reading right now, as well as The Magic Journey, which I'm also kind of reading right now. So I'm reading those 2 at the same time. So then I was like, I'll bring like 1 more book. So I decided I was going to bring The Betrothed because I just got that the other day, and I love Kira Cass. I love the selection book, so I really wanted to read this. But then I was like, I have a 24-hour car drive ahead of me, and I really want to reread the Red... Oh, I just hit myself in the face. Ow. I really want to reread the Red Queen series, so I think I'm just going to bring the first one of those and see if I can get through all of those while I'm driving up there. And then, hopefully, my mom has agreed to do like a book swap with me whenever I get up there and I finish books, and I can just like send a bunch of them back, and then she'll send me the rest of the series or whatever else I want to read, because it seems silly for me to like buy it on Kindle or like something like that whenever I literally already have the books. But I also don't want to bring too many books. I feel like liking books is such an extra problem. Now that I'm pretty much done packing, I'm going to go ahead and try and tidy my room. My room itself isn't that bad, to be honest. But my bathroom needs a lot of cleaning. Okay, excuse the way I look. I probably look exhausted. I am completely shattered. It is like almost 11 and we're going to pack up the car in the morning. My dad went and picked it up. We got a rental car since my dad's gonna fly back afterwards. But everything is pretty much packed. We're gonna put it in the car in the morning and head out very early. I'm going to be vlogging the next couple of days with the road trip. So if you guys want to see those videos, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!